Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Kunagalu Betta again. I'm back again with another vlog. I think I'll have to change the intro, but it's catchy enough, man. It's enough. So the after end of the back. Reporting live from Shell. It's almost 5:45. We are going towards the Kunagalu Betta. It's on the Ramnagar highway. We're supposed to take a left inside and go. So let's ride. Today our beloved Modi ji is coming to Bengaluru to visit the Indian Space Research Organization after the success of Chandrayaan 3. Early morning news documentary from Dr. Raida. For the first time in my riding career, I have not worn a jacket and it's cold outside today. Wow. And where's this auto driver trying to take his auto? I hope not here, man. Ah, the misery. Mr. Rafi is carrying ORS in his bag. Huh? What happened? Instead of Red Bull, he bought ORS this time.
Class seat
Mr. Rafi is trying to do khudli with the bike.
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲು ತುಂಬ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು ಆ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Hi, I'm Jack.
ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಏನೋ ರೆಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ.
Rock and roll riders still prevalent on Jack.
ये इसका रेडिएटर काट देखो.
Hi.
देखो ನಾನೇ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಅದು.
ಒಳ್ಳೆದಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ.
We almost done with 60% of the ride and we stopped for a quick pit stop.
Several days later.
Okay. We are going to the top. The hill climb starts. KTM adventure guy, man, without top box and stuff. I thought this early in the morning there will be no one, but look at the landscape, man. Holy crap, the race have made this place famous. A lot of people parking here and walking. Last time me and Mr. Vishnu came here, I think hardly people knew about this, but thanks to Instagram, I can see biscuit packets.
ಒಳ್ಳೆದಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ.
I don't know till where we'll be able to go, but let's see. Oh my god, look at the amount of vehicles, man.
Must planning.
Wow. What is an expert doing there? Let's do some saddling to the top. Oh no dude, they don't let you go. Let's see whether there's a road. जा सकते ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ ಮೆತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗು This is the end of the off-road. We'll have to do a small trek from here.
Interesting story about
Check out my cool ass bag. I carried so much stuff to eat. I can't even take the bike on top.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
The villain kiddo ante ಇವೊಂದು Instagram handle.
ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫಾಲೋವರ್ಸ್.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಗಾಡಿ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು?
Then you should start doing the giveaway constant.
170 subscribers, what giveaway will give, dude?
That's how it get increase, you know. तुम्हें क्या करना है? 50 एक randomly 500 रुपए का करना है एक दिन साल. So that 170 turns into 1700.
Mr. Faraz is suggesting I start a giveaway.
Please guys, do comment and let us know if you want something.
Yeah. Worth 500 rupees. No budget more than that. Whose shit is this?
Guess. Comment karo.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Baby elephant.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ಜಾತಿ ಯಾರ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತು?
Extreme off-roading.
Where is the hilltop? Oof. Oh. The view is totally mesmerizing here.
Left side ಮೇಲೆ top ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Yo. There are people on top of that hill, on top of that rock. How do they even climb? Instagram effect, you can see a lot of people trekking. I hope you can guys.
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा, इसके मुंह में पैदाशी सुपारी है.
I hope you guys can see this. I feel this is a peaceful place to halt. Mr. Sharath will go alone and come till there. We'll be shooting from here. If he falls down, we'll capture on the camera.
Viral, full viral.
ಇಲ್ಲ ದೂರದಿಂದ ಬರೇ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಬೀಳ್ತಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು. This is the end of Kunagalu Betta vlog. There's nothing much to do. There's actually a climb till the top, which I don't want to do. A lot of people going on top. Let us go see what's there that side. Huge Nandi statue here. Oh, the scenery here is even better now, dude. The holy cow is protecting the hill. Because of no rains this side in the whole of South India, especially Karnataka this time, the whole 𝗥𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗶 river has dried up. I can see a little water there, but this side is completely dried up.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
Look at what's left of 𝗥𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗶 river here. Wow! So this is a final goodbye from Kunagalu Betta. Oh, some psychedelic landscape. Okay, see you in the next vlog. I think now we'll go just try some local trails here and then.
Later that same evening.
Look till where I managed to get the bike. Whew. Other boys didn't want to come, they're waiting outside, so let me head back.